Hi, welcome to my channel, Mum Points for Me. My name is Jade. My channel is all about an inside view into my life as a mother. It's very honest about how difficult it can be, but also how rewarding it is. You can get involved too by awarding me points as I go through my daily activities with myself, my husband and my 3 kids. As you can see on the list, these are the points that I can either gain or lose. Feel free to comment, subscribe and let me know what you think. Thank you. Hi. Me again. Jade from Mum Points for Me. I'm having one of them days today where time is ticking away and I have so many things to do, and I'm literally sat at my dining table breastfeeding. I'm like, it's 7 p.m. Where do I start? Like, which one do I do and which order, and how do we do all this? Marv's not back today. He has gone to London for work. So yeah. It's me and the Sprogs. It's hard. On a more positive note, I do want to appreciate the curls today. Checking myself out. Curly girls rock and all that jazz. All dressed up and nowhere to go but the back garden to put the wash out. Mum life, hashtag. Ugh. I didn't list anything to do with the kids, which they go to bed in the next hour, so you know Maliyah will want to read to me, but I haven't sat down and watched anything with them. We did eat together, which is good, because since having Monaé, you know, whether I get to eat with the rest of the family is hit and miss, but I did eat with the kids today. That was nice. Still haven't moved. Still sat here. Don't know when I'll be free. Saying that, the kids are supposed to be helping me. Mycah! Maliyah, come here!
Yes, Mommy?
Come.
Yeah?
I did say that you'd have to help me, didn't I, today?
Before? Yeah.
Yeah, so Mummy has a long list of things that need doing.
Okay.
That's how I feel.
Jeez.
I think the one that you could help me out with mostly right now is to bring... I haven't even said what it is yet. Right, is to bring that cardboard down from the top floor.
Oh, come on.
And the green things, them strappy things.
Okay.
And then fold them if you can, so that I can put them in the boot of my car.
Yeah.
We also have the bins to do, because it's Friday tomorrow. And then if we all try and do the kitchen before we go to bed, if we can do that, Team Williams will be on top.
Can we get chocolate?
Well, there's the chocolate right there.
I already get... Oh, you ate it all.
Listen, yeah, I don't know about chocolate for you. You're the one moaning the most.
Yeah.
Right. On your marks. Set. Go. So we've already had one injury. Obviously it was Maliyah. Apparently one of the boxes scraped her ear on the way down.
Ouch.
Just be careful. Alright, this is not the most technical way to do it. Maliyah went to the toilet.
Oh, my armpit.
What have you done?
Something saw my armpit off.
Right, can we just be careful?
Yeah.
You've had your toilet break. And then I suppose Mummy will have to coordinate this bit then.
Okay, Mycah, you stay up top.
God. Monaé, can you chill out for a minute while Mummy just... What are you looking at? Why do you look like this? Can you pay me attention? Hello. Monaé. Mummy's just gonna... Ooh, well, that sounds like a happy noise. Okay. Thanks for your cooperation. It's flat. Alright. Okay, so shoes on because we have a situation outside.
What is it? Oh, not the birds. Okay. You have to help us.
I'm coming out because I'm. If I see a bird, it might not survive.
Ow! I cut myself.
Stop with the injuries. Shoes on.
Oh,
Monaé, good girl. We have a situation outside. Are you going to guard the door? Don't let any wildlife in. Because we've got situations. Right, everybody grab a glove.
you need to help us.
I'm helping.
Okay.
Oh, God. Look how much we've got to do, guys.
Hey!
Look at this! I don't even think a bird could manage all of this. We could have a bigger problem, guys.
How did they open
Exactly that.
that? Exactly? I don't know.
It could be a raccoon.
There's no raccoons in England.
Yeah. We live near a wood.
I've never seen a raccoon
A deer?
No. Yeah, I've seen deer before.
Mr. Fox? No, it's not funny, actually. It's a look at it. It's a shambles.
No, but I locked the door. But I was gonna get when we locked the door.
Mate.
Wait, maybe it jumped over, but maybe I went snapping down.
Squirrels? Well, how have you got a drink when we've got other serious things to be doing? Come on. How are you getting on, Bab? Oh.
I need enough.
Here then, have that one.
It smells. Thank you.
I'll get the bins from in here and bring them out and, yeah, ready for tomorrow. Baby, give me 2 minutes. Yes. Are you cold? Where's your blanket? Blanket! That better? Shush, Maliyah. You know, our neighbours don't need to be hearing what the raccoons have been up to. Okay. Cardboard is downstairs. Animal rubbish collected, ready for tomorrow to put the bins out. Right, let's get the kitchen done then.
There are bowls.
Come on, Team Williams.
Wash hands, then into the kitchen.
Yep. Maybe I'll get to put my flowers out that my husband bought me. Because they are not getting the love they deserve right now. I'm going to put them out. Adding that to the list. Oh yeah. Security. How you getting on? Any raccoon sightings? Fox? Was it the squirrel? No, not sure. Okay. You just keep watch out. Shout. Coo if it's a if it's a raccoon.
Okay.
And
For fox.
for a fox, yeah.
For.
And a if it's a squirrel.
And a if it's
And
a.
if it's a crow. Right. Dishwasher unloading. You put them on the sides.
But they. And me, Superman, what's that?
You put them in the cupboards.
Okay. Wait.
Mummy's. You are joking.
What?
It didn't dissolve. What?
We have to put it back in. We have to change it, don't we?
Yeah. That'd be like the second time.
Oh.
No, right.
Dang it.
God.
Ready to go.
Right. Alright. Plan B.
Washing up instead?
We're going to wash up instead. No! What is this life where we have to wash up?
Hands up. Let's get it to wash.
Right, your job, little woman. Entertain your sister.
Okay, that's lucky.
So, Monaé had enough at the door. Yes. Absolutely fed up with it. She's like the wildlife mum, there's too much. So, I'm going to wash up. Because I think I'll be speedy.
Yeah.
Mycah is on Monaé duty.
What am I on?
You are also on Monaé duty. You entertain from afar. And you hold. Monaé, can you just play ball? Because, you know, we've got dishwasher situations and all sorts going on downstairs. Someone trumped. Have you pooed? We haven't got time for that.
I don't think she is.
Oh, God. Right, okay. You are going to read to your brother while your brother holds Monaé.
Yeah.
And I'm going to wash up, okay?
Yeah.
All right, thanks. So... that was a fail, wasn't it, the dishwasher? So I'm going to have to add that to tomorrow's list, which is empty up, unless I get a chance to do that tonight. Back to the old school, washing up. It's not that much anyway. So yeah. I can hear Monaé already, crying. So... I feel that frazzled that I don't even remember what was on the list. Oh, I've got to hang the clothes out. Jesus Christ. So there's a part of me is like, you know, like if I spoke to anyone now, they'd be like, leave it. Just leave it. You don't have to do it all and just leave a book. And I get that and I will if I have to. But it piles up then, doesn't it? I can hear her though, she's not happy. And she's usually good with Mycah as well. Okay. She's literally screaming upstairs. So Maliyah loves reading. And like literally every day she'll say, Mummy, can I read to you? How bad is that sometimes when I'm like, no, not right now, or, you know, let's do it at another time, and instead of just saying yeah. I try my best to say yeah. Or she literally follows me around the house whilst reading, or, you know, into the bedroom, or I'm changing a nappy, or whatever else. I just prefer to give her my wholehearted attention. Oh, she's quietened down. They're very short-lived, but I'll at least get the washing done. Put my bloody flowers out. So mine's just constantly ticking about what's next. So yeah, is it just me? Am I putting extra pressure on myself to do these things? Should I have left? Well, I couldn't have left the bins. Yeah. So you need to go out tomorrow. Washing up, yeah. Hang the clothes out, yeah, otherwise they're going to smell. Oh, she started again. But I'm on my last dish. Mycah's got her bedtime music on. She's not having any of it. Where's my mummy? I got flowers just because yesterday. Yeah. Very happy about that. And Mycah scored as a 7. Ha! I laugh at your 7 and raise you to 8. Don't even know what that means. Actually, I probably got the flowers because Mycah rated as a 7. Oh. Stop that. That would be a 7. Well, where's that bar? Marv? We are done, sort of, in the kitchen. And she started. Off I go upstairs. Did you read most of it to Mycah and then the last bit to me? Or have you missed some?
I've missed some.
Why would you miss some? You skipped to the end? Did you read the rest to me just now? I don't understand what's going on. I don't understand. You just read a book one page after another. I don't understand. It's not a difficult question. Just read from where you stopped reading with Mycah.
Yeah, I've done that, but you don't understand. So
No, I don't understand why you can't answer the question.
What?
Have you read all of the book?
Kind of a yes and kind of a no.
Did you cheat?
No. Well, a tiny weeny bit.
So you cheated?
A little bit.
Why are you cheating? Just read the book.
Okay.
Oh my god. It's now 9:10. This one is fussing a bit. Wind. And she's trumping and they're really smelly. Other two are in bed. The cardboard is still at the front door. I haven't hung the washing out. That definitely needs to go out tonight. I'm not going to be able to do anything until I settle, madam. So hopefully I get those last 2 bits done. I know. I'm going to try and get her off. So signing out for tonight. Update in the morning. See you then.